morning to one and all. My name is Dhruva. I am from 7th class. I am telling a speech about freedom fighters. Let's talk about B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He solved the matriculation in Epstone High School 1908. He did economics in Columbia University in New York. He awarded the doctorate degree by the University of Columbia in 8 June 1927. He is the first law minister of India in independent India. He launched a newspaper name was Mukanayaka in 1990. He awarded the Bharat Ratna Award in 1990. He was dead in home Delhi. Thank you for giving the opportunity. Yes, sir.